right, so in here we got the water meter. I always take a picture of the water meter, the main valve, the shutoff. You know, you want to look here. We could see the foundation. This is one of the only spots in this basement where you could actually see the foundation. You know, I like to take a picture of that, show them. You could also take a picture and show that there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm pretty much going around looking up top, seeing if I see any termite damage, any loose wiring. Also looking for electric. The ground, it's grounded to the bottom side, which is good. So we're good here. Close it back up. And now we get to the electric. We could stop that because I need just